In this video, I'm going to show you how to reattach the door on a dog kennel. This is a large, hard plastic shell dog kennel, and the door sometimes gets busted off by the kids or the dogs. So this is pretty quick and easy. Okay, here's our doggie. Her name is Cora. Here's the little metal door that goes on the front. It's 100% mirror image, everything about it. What you'll notice is there are little rods that stick out from the bottom on both sides and up on the top too. And then you have two twisting arm latches. So when you twist it, it retracts these little rods at the bottom. So this is what you're going to spin in order to position it back into these little holes right here. Now there is something tricky about this. You'll notice that there's a hole that goes all the way through, and then right next to it is a hole that is in the molded plastic. You're going to be putting it in the holes with the molded plastic. This hole. You're not going to be putting it in that one. Molded plastic, and then there's that hole, so you avoid those. So here we are. We're going to put it in, starting at the bottom. And then in order to get it in, you're going to twist this little lever to retract the metal arm, and then untwist it so that it goes back in. So now it's hinging properly. And then to close it, you're just going to retract it. Make sure that the arm goes into that plastic up there and into the plastic hole down here. And now it's on nice and tight. I hope that was helpful for you.